The next thing we want to do is put the Torque Trends supplied adapter plate for the Nissan Leaf on over the alignment pins. Should be a slip fit, and we just line it up. Don't beat this on. If you got a problem with your pens, polish your pens up. You might have a burr or something on your pens. You should be able to just drop it right over the pens. It's a slip fit, and there you have it. Then we'll bolt the plate to the motor. There are three threaded holes in the motor, and then there's three through bolts. These three are through bolts, and these three are threaded into the motor. So we'll torque that in place to specs, and then the next thing we'll do is set the TorqueBox with its coupler. The coupler will meet the spline. We'll wiggle the TorqueBox down onto the spline with little spline lube, not bearing grease, but actual spline lube. It'll prevent rust from moisture condensation that is going to get in there. It's going to be created, a little sweating, and we don't want the splines to rust. So a little spline lubricant. So we'll line that up. That'll hit first, and then we'll come down and line it up on the pins. And again, it's a slip fit on the pins. The TorqueBox should drop flat to the plate. We're not going to use bolts to squeeze it together. If there's a misalignment, you see a gap when you put the TorqueBox on. If you've got a gap, it's not coming down even, pull it off, find out why. You may have a burr on one of your pins, something like that. We've already checked that we've got little to no run out on the shaft, so the centering should be really nice, should drop down over the pins. We'll get this bolted on first, and then we'll do that. See you in the next video.